Hello everyone, my name is Radha Krishnan. I'm a commercial photographer and founder and host at Pixel Viilage YouTube channel. Do you know that photography and filmmaking are two among the highest paying careers these days? A successful photographer and filmmaker can make lakhs and crores of rupees every year. Yes, you heard it right. But to become one, fundamental and systematic understanding of the subject is absolutely necessary. So at Pixel Viilage, we have joined hands with the best photography and lighting brands in the world and created Pixel Viilage Creator Academy in Pune, just for you. We offer government-approved, internationally accepted diploma courses, and admissions for the 2023-24 batches are now open. Use this number or the link in the description to inquire, and our students counselors will call you back to assist you. See you soon.